Wow, what a trip. So right now I'm working on presentation part of that. That what happened when the Galileo Incident is how I'm referring to it. Is that during the Galileo Incident, he proved that the Earth orbits the sun. Well, there's a bunch of concepts based on the sun orbiting the Earth that are out of the box. And this has a lot to do with the same way as like notation for music. I mean, do rate, that it follows the dominion. All right, and so the following of the dominion, like mathematics, the mathematics added up, and that the Earth orbits the sun, and the sun did not orbit us, and the whole universe does not orbit us. Well, that's the concept of man that is still out of the box, and everything attached to the Gregorian calendar still out of the box. And so that is what I'm working on right now, is the Galileo Incident and presenting it with the do, re, mi literacy. And what I mean by, do is that, there's dominion, do, and plus it's Ruby, do. If you know anything about programming, Ruby coding, do, energy and matter, okay? Is do, re, mi. All right, and so that, hi, duckies, my friends. They want treats. So, you might not really know this, but I'm breathing matter and energy. If there was no oxygen in the air, I wouldn't be able to breathe. Well, that's what happens when the notations, when you hear sound, the notation on the paper follows the sound because it's do, re, mi. The energy flowing through, and so the dominion rules. And it's the same with us and our language use, is that we're just updating it, from, I like that, the Galileo Incident. I'm practicing with you. So the Galileo Incident proved that all these concepts that still haven't been updated are out of the box. And the physics doesn't negotiate. And so inside your mind, if an object is not, if you can't, it's like, do, re, mi, all right, every word that you have has to map to the physical world. All right? And so you go, do, re, mi, American. No, that's do, re, do. That's a concept, an idea. Okay, and that cannot be processed internally as a physical object, but it's fed to us as trusting children because of the side effects of alphabetic technology and so as a physical object. And so to close this video, that the main thing is that the native object logic of a species. Oh, they're not there. Come here. That your species and not man. Concepts of man, everything attached to the Gregorian calendar is lead silverware today. And so that what I'm working on the presentation, and that's what I'm practicing on you, is, we have all these concepts out of the box because of the Galileo Incident. And in closing, Galileo, Galileo, Galileo Galilei. Thank you, Freddie Mercury. I love you. Whoa, I love you. Whoa, I love you. You have no choice.